Hello friends, this is Malika. Welcome to my channel Mathemagics. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to see some tricks for finding square of numbers nearest to the base number, that is 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. So let's just start with it. So today we are going to see tricks to find squares of numbers nearest to base numbers, and the base numbers are 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Just make a note that in the numbers 100, 1000 and 10,000s we have to take the counts of number of zeros. So let's just start with the first example. We have to find square of the number 105. So the first step is, this is the number nearest to 100. So the base number here is 100 and 100 is having 2 zeros. So we have to make a note that in our ones place here we are having 5. So first we will take the square of the number 5. So 5 square is 25. So we will write here 25 first. Here there are 2 zeros and 25 is a number of 2 digits. So here there is no need to make any changes. Now the second step which is to be followed is, we have to add the number in the ones place or the units place with the given number. Here the given number is 105. So 105 plus 5 gives us 110. This is as simple as it is. So your answer for the square of the number 105 is 11025. Let's move on to the next example. One zero zero four. So we have to find the square of the number 1004. Here we are having the base number as 1000. 1004 is 4 more than 1000. Therefore, the last digit in the ones place is 4. So we will take the square of 4. 4 square is 16. So I will write the number 16 over here. But we are having 3 zeros in the number 1000 and we are having only 2 digits in 16. So we need to add one more zero over here. Now the next step was, we have to add the number 4 with the given number. So here the given number is 1004 plus 4 gives us 1008. So this is your square for the number 1004. Let's move on to the another example. A bigger number we will take. The number is 10,009. So now we have to find the square of 10,009. Same process we are going to follow here also. In our units place we are having 9. So we will directly write the square of 9, that is 81. Okay, and 10,000 has 4 zeros. 10,000 has 4 zeros. So we have to make this 81 as a 4-digit number. So we will add 2 zeros before it. Now the simple thing, next step is to add 9 to the given number. 10,009 plus 9 is 10,018. So this is the square of 10,009. 100180081. So till now we have seen, we have found the squares for bigger numbers than the base numbers. Now we will see how to find the squares of numbers which are smaller than the base numbers. So let's start with the first example for the smaller ones. Let's take first number as 97. 97 is a nearest number to 100. 100 has 2 zeros. So a little bit difference is there while following the steps. While doing the addition part, we directly used to take the squares of the numbers in the ones place. Here a slight difference is there. 97 is 3 less than 100. So we have got the difference as 3. So we will take the square of 3. 3 square is 9. So I will write the number 9 over here. And then 2 zeros. So I will make this number as a 2-digit number by adding 1 0 before 9. And the next thing is we will subtract this 3 from 97. So 97 minus 3 gives you 94. So the square of 97 is 9409. Moving on to the next example, let's find out the square of 95. Again we will follow the same steps. 95 is the nearest number to 100. The base number is 100 over here. Again we are having 2 zeros. So we will take 5 as 100 minus 95 gives you 5 only. There is a difference of 5. So we have to take the square of 5 over here. 5 square is 25. So I will write 25 over here. 25 is a 2-digit number and it has 2 zeros. So there is no need to make any changes. Directly we will subtract the number 5 from 95. So 95 minus 5 gives us 90. So this is our square for 95. That is 9025. Let's see one more example of a little bigger number. Let's find out the square for the number 994. Okay. So 994 is the number nearest to 1000. Number nearest to 1000. It is 6 less than 1000. So we are having the number 6 over here. So we will have to take the square of 6. Square of 6 is 36. But we have to see how many zeros are there in the base number. Here we are having 3 and only 2 digits we are having the number for the numbers 36. So I will add 1 0 over here. And next step, that is we have to subtract this 6 from 994. So 994 minus 6 gives you 988. So the square of 994 is 988036. So in this way, we have seen the tricks to find the squares of the numbers nearest to the base number, both the bigger ones and the smaller ones. I hope you all have understood it in well manner. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with our channel Mathamagic to have more tricks and tips on maths. And if you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.